I will try to focus on what a large reform of the size and scale of GST is and what technology can do for a scale which GST is achieving. Uh, you must have done basics of GST in your general studies. It's a value-added tax, but there are few distinguishing features of Indian GST. One, Indian GST is the only large federal GST where state and center work together. It is a sui generis Indian design which lot of people across the world are watching as to how does a federal GST work, where center and state come together to work and center acts as a clearing house. IGST is a tax which moves from the origin state to the destination state. The second unique feature of Indian GST is we created what is a constitutional body for decision making, and look at the maturity of Indian democracy that till now GST Council has taken almost every single decision where center and state come together unanimously. The third most important distinguishing feature of Indian GST is GSTN. To create a technology platform at the scale which India has created is unknown. Trust me, in taxation technology, we are absolutely the world leaders. Nobody matches the kind of scale which we do, the number of transactions which we capture, the kind of growth we are seeing. Last month's figure you would have noticed, GST collection again recorded 10% growth year on year. But more than 10%, what was important was that the growth of domestic collection of GST was 14%, which is way above the nominal growth of GST. So what is cascading of tax? Okay, that's a very simple and right definition. It is tax on tax. The whole idea is that you capture the tax on value added in the entire supply chain. If at the manufacturing stage a certain value addition has taken place, tax on that has been paid. The next stage, when the dealer sells it, then the tax which he should pay should be the net of the taxes already paid. So that is the whole idea. It makes the economy more efficient. GST manages core services. In every tax, there are 4 critical services: registration, payment of tax, reporting of compliance, which is called return, and 4th is refund. In case of export, in case where there is an excess payment of tax, so any tax, be it a municipal tax, income tax, GST, or any other tax, these 4 pillars of taxation, if they are properly designed, then you will get a right kind of tax and good collection of tax.